you holding up?
I'm hanging in there, but honestly, I don't think my heart can take much more.
Okay.
Michael and Dennis and
Okay,
it's crazy.
I want to see if you can tell who your next surprise guest is based on the sound of their voice.
No, don't.
Here we go. Take a guess.
Everybody's screaming. Wait, you're creeping me out.
Come on, sound of your next guest's voice.
Hey, Rachel, it's me, Rach.
Shut up!
I have a rule about never being on the same show with Regis anymore. Joy, I would just stay, but since he's here, you don't need me anymore, sweetie.
He don't want to go. He doesn't want to leave.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
He's here to stay.
Okay.
Well, look at you on your 6th anniversary. Huh?
901 episodes. I come nowhere close to this man's record. And let me tell you something you might not know. These two are fabulous entertainers, and Joy is one hell of a cook. She made...
That's right, we haven't seen you since we had dinner.
She made one of Nora Ephron's recipes. Remember that ricotta
It was a
thing?
ricotta pie.
Oh my
But
God.
that's not all we made. Remember we
Oh,
had
no,
this,
there was course
how do you
after
say
course after course.
Yellow? How do you say that, Rach?
Chicken
Chicken
scarpiello.
scarpiello.
And with tons of peppers. Oh, it was beautiful.
And Regis was there, too. Nothing. I get nothing.
One of the highlights of my life.
No, but look.
In their living room, Rach at the piano, the two of them singing. I mean,
John was at the piano.
Oh,
John was
at the
accompanying.
piano.
You were sort
Pretty
of-
darn good.
Regis sings.
and
he
you were
doesn't
telling him
play.
he was pretty good.
He was.
Well, no, I
He's
remember Regis
excellent.
took lessons for a long time. Just
Yeah, it
didn't
didn't work.
very well.
You know, the older you get, the more difficult it is to learn the piano. So get going now, you know?
Yeah,
But
you need
here's
an
the deal,
attention
ladies.
span.
You can imagine what it's like to have Rachael Ray and her husband John come to your home, and then you cook a meal for Rachael Ray. And then you sit there as you watch Rachael Ray eat and look at her face to see if she's enjoying it.
I enjoyed every minute.
Intimidating, Rachel, to
It-
know that.
it was a brilliant
And you
meal.
were so gracious.
Oh,
and,
Rachel's being
she
sweet. It wasn't
ate
that good.
Everything on her plate was